The best of Ayurveda is the Vedas. Vedas are four: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda, and Atharva Veda. Rig Veda is the womb of Ayurveda. Yajurveda and Samveda, these are mainly religious ritual knowledge. But Yajurveda mentions some plain drugs. The Atharva Veda is the manifestation of Ayurveda. I have done a research on Vedas to find out the plant drugs mentioned in Vedas and Vedic literature. A long research for 40 years and find out all the plant drugs. And I found that there are 67 plant drugs mentioned in the Rig Veda. And Yajurveda mentioned 82 plant drugs, where Atharva Veda mentioned a big list of plant drugs. Atharva Veda mentioned 289 plant drugs. Vedic literature, Brahmana Granthas also mentioned 129 drugs. Our Upanishads also mentioned 31 drugs, plant drugs. Upabarhan Samhita, it is also a Vedic literature. It is also discussed 35 plant drugs. Today I will discuss the Vedic plants. Plant mentioned in the Rig Veda, Aksha, Bahara in Bengali, Terminalia bellerica in botanical, Atosi, Mystici in Bengali, Ilium Utitissimum, Abadhnati, yet not identified, Aratu, Araxylum indicum, Ashatta, it is Ashatta in Bengali also, Ficus religiosa, Ashavati, it is Ashwagandha, Puthania somnifera, Anjan, Barbaris aristata, Ayorti, Musa paradisiaca, Ararka, Dioscorea species, Uttanapanna, Bifaris idulisa, Udodasa, Penak ginseng, Urbaruka, Cucumis malo, Ula, Imperata, Cylindrica, Kakombir, Trichnas nagdvomica, Kingso, Bodia monosperma, Palas, Kusa, Soria robusta, Cambo, Cyperus rotunda, Mutha, Khodir, Acacia catecho, Vitaci, Ciampinata cristata, Jarasabhasad, Croton triglium, Jaipar, Tadon, Jantaslam, Ratam, Sayavana, Gentina, Kudua, Darbha, Imperata, Cylindrica, Durba, Sanodon, Dactylon, Nord, Pragmatis, Maximarana, Pragmatis, Maxima, Parayoti, yet not identified, Parna, Botia, monosperma, Pakodurba, Sanodon species, Pakabali, yet not identified, Patha, Stephonia, Hrandifolia, Pipar, Sepsia, Populina, Pingsati, yet not identified, Puskar, Inula racimosa, Ballaja, Polydium, Angustifolium, Bibita, Carmenilla, Bellerica, Billa, Agar marvelous, Bhanga, Karabi, Chetiba, Madhura, Orija, Chetiba, Munja, Shakaram, Arundasianum, Jab, Holdian, Balgar, Jabar, yet not identified, Robunka, Simita, Fabrifuga, Lakha, Celiciara, Oliuta, Ribuja, Sterak, Benjoin, France, Mansonette, Indi, Jujurveda, Opamarga, Acidensis, Aspra, Orca, Calotropis, Procida, Arjun, Tasmania, Arjuna, Alabu, Legionaria, Bulgaris, Aboca, Anisuam, Soa, Oxata Ficus religiosa, Oxavar Saccharans spontaneum, Oxavate Withinia somnifera, Anjan yet not identified, Amba Orija species, Ikho Sakaram Opisanaram, Udumbar Ficus glomerata, Udozas Panas Ginseng, Ubabaka Radia Tinctoria, Coris Caparis Disuda, Carcando Didipas Ionopila, Casmarja Melina arborea, Kubar Didipas Jujuba, Kus Desmotica Bipinata, Krishna Abras Dicatorias, Cramo Moras Alba, Khodit Acacia Catechu, Hodior, Phoenix Dactylifera, Khalba, Dolicos, Labrab, Gormot, Fesuras, Mungo, Gabezuka, Quex, Resirama, Gogulu, Belchamodendron, Mukur, Godhum, Titicum, Estivum, Gritacea, Cisalpinita, Cristata, Chana, Sisar, Eritinaptima, Chatuskona Vanaspati, yet not identified, Zombie, Satyas, Medica, Dorsil, Wild, Sisamam, Til, Sisamam, Indica, Terla, Vaibhurmam, Patidam, Darba, Imperata, Syndica, Durva, Sanodon, Dactylon, Nisanti, yet not identified, Nibar, Agrorija, Aristata, Necroda, Ficus, Bengalanchit, Parna, Bhutia, Manusparma, Pitataru, Siddharth, Deodara, Pushkar, Inura, Rasimosa, Putadru, Siddharth, Deodara, Puti, Bacilla, Alba, Rango, Eglaria, Ragvargina, Laksha, Ficus, Lacor, Bazar, Jijifar, Jujuva, Ballad, Polinidam, Angustifolium, Bibita, Termalia, Bellerica, Billa, Egel, Marmelos, Bhurja, Butila, Utilis, Modula, Orija, Sativa, Madhastila, Glacyrija, Glabra, Madhu, মধুকা ইন্দ্রিকা মমর কপটিস তিতা মার পেটুলাস রেডিকেটাস মুঞ্জা শেকারাম অরুন্ডিনেশিয়াম মুদগা পেটুলাস মুঙ্গ জব হর্ডিয়াম ভালগারি জবর yet not identified Javasa yet not identified Rahita Epanomexis Polystasia Vangsha Bambusa Borun Prativa Religiosa Bashara Pranthima Potulecastra Basheba Pranthima Potulecastra Viconcata Proticotia Indica Brisa Macrocyllis Mucifera, Beno, Bambus, Urundinaceae, Betot, Calamus, Biminalis, Brihi, Orija, Sativa, Somi, Acacia, Suma, Sara, Shakaram, Mangalinis, Salmoli, Salmalia, Malabarica, Shema, Echinosola, Rumentricia, Sohamana, yet not identified, Sugandhitajan, Jantaxlam, Arata, Soma, Epidra, Giardia, Somavati, Sarcostima, Acida, Sakabarna, yet not identified, Atita, Rinnaparna, Kalsikam, Retria, now the Atharvaveda plants mentioned in the Atharvaveda. Number 1, Aksha, Terminalia, Belerica, Avadishta, Ralpia, Tetraphylla, Ajastringi, Ganandrapis, Pentaphylla, Agi, Transmissima, Potulecastrum, Atoshi, Linam, Utitissimum, Atividabhadasi, Equinatum, Heterophyllum, Adishta, Dahoni, Premna, Integripolia, Aparajita, Clatoria, Ternitia, Abascamba, Branosis, Leciniosa, Apamarga, Acidantis, Aspera, Apasha, Cordia, Dicotroma, Ovidorus, Tricia, Tritica, Abhivasta, Electritis, Ashura, Abricata, Althua, Officinalis, Amula, Gloriosa, Superba, Aratu, Araxilam, Indica, Aratoke, Acacia, Polycantha, Orundhati, Sida, Cordifolia, Orusran, Cassia, Fistula, Orca, Calatrapis, Prachera, Orjun, Terminalia, Orjuna, Orosala, Podiphyllum, Hexandra, Oramu, Legionaria, Vulgaris, Aboca, Bragia, Ocanda, Obalipsa, Emituam, Sua, Osmora, Parmelina, Verolata, Ashatra, Hicat, Religiosa, Ashabara, Sakaran, Pantaniam, Ashabati, Vitania, Somnifera, Ocycni, Indigofila, Tinctoria, Ostrita, Rasmodium, Gangeticum, Ogata, Esiranthis, Aspera, Anjan, yet not identified, Undid, yet not identified, Aloca, Diascoria, Species, Abaya, Brassica, Campestris, Ashuri, Brassica, Nigra, Ita, Taifa, Angusta, Indrani, Satulas, Colossensis, Ishika, Sakaram, Bangalensis, Exhibition, yet not identified, Ugrosati, Akorat, Kalamat, Ushishma, Mukuna, Prita, Uttanapanna, Braparis, Idolis, Uttasaktabashar, yet not identified, Udimbar, Fikat, Glomerata, Udurasa, Panak, Ginseng, Unnayanti, yet not identified, Urbaru, Kukumis, Malo, Ulab, Impirita, Sindica, Urjayanti, Sida, Cordifolia, Rita Jata, Nilambu, Nucifera, Ritabori, yet not identified, Oxagandhi, Spondias, Mangifera, Concasadanti, Ebutilan, Indica, Konaklaka, Dudra, Matar, Kapithaka, Heronia, Limonia, Cobra, Jantoxylam, Elata, Common, Nilambu, Nucifera, Combola, Protuleca, Olidacha, কর্কটস রোষ সাক্ষীরানিস কর্কন্ধ জিহ্বার অনুপিলা কর্করে কুকুমিস মেলো কর্ষপ ব্রাসিকা কম্পেস্ট্রিস কলমলি yet not identified Candavis Equinatum nepilus Kilasanasan Prosadilla Corifolia Kilasabhesas Soralia Corifolia Kumur Nymphaea nutalis Kubar Jibat Jujuba Kusra Susurya Rapa Kudi Jasminam multiflora Kitabathani Rufa Ichinata Kesha Zinghoni Eclipta Elva Kesha Vardhani Eclipta Elva Keshi Tamaris Ephyla Kosabila Piper Kubiba Cambo Saras Rotundas Kakosma yet not identified Kliva Koroni yet not identified Fifth Bhasaji Ravalfia Serpentina Kumpa Linam Usite Tissimam Kshatriya Nasoni Ebras Precatorius Khodi Acacia Katesu Khalla Dolikos Labrab Guguru Belchamadidran Mukor Godom Titikam Estivam Tuturangur yet not identified Chitti yet not identified Shipadru Pinas Ragvarghai Chatanti yet not identified Sukakaroni yet not identified Jangit Terminalia Orjon Jalasabasat Jalpa yet not identified Jivanta Leptidinania Reticulata Jivanti Desmotricam Fibriatum Jivala yet not identified Tarunaka Risinas Communis Talasa Evis Oibina Tantuva yet not identified Sadadabhanga yet not identified Sabuba yet not identified Tastargha yet not identified Tila Sisamam Indica Tichnavalat, yet not identified. Tichnasringi, Das, Sakshi, Danish, Trista, Taporsia, Parpuria, Tristagna, Kukumish, Sativa, Tejan, Jantaktilam, Alata, Todi, Lipidium, Ibiris, Tabilika, yet not identified. Trayamana, Janchinia, Kurua, Tibrit, Aparkulina, Tarpitha, Dandan, Euphorbis, Nerifolia, Zarva, Impedita, Cylindrica, Dasabriksha, Bhutia, Manusparma, Darupatra, Gardenia, Gamifera, Dibbosadi, yet not identified. Dishyavan, yet not identified. Durva, Sanadon, Daklan, Devamuni, Polignatam, Bhati, Siliatam, Dhava, Anodisat, Latipolia, Nagharisha, Ballerina, Valsi, Nada, Pragmatic Karka, Nodja, Semikarpas, Anakarya, Noddamara, Akanthas, Illicifolias, Nagarisha, yet not identified. Narati, Rokuras, Capsularis, or Narista, yet not identified. Nalot, Pragmatis, Karka, Nalodi, yet not identified. Nanaruga Vaishaja, Eliokarpat, Ganitrat, Nitoni, Sulanam, Nagram, Nilagolosala, Sel, Lek, Nibibhadija, yet not identified. Nagruda, Fikat, Bengalanchit, Nastika, Convobulat, Pluriculis, Purushabhara, Bhutia, Manusparma, Purushabha, yet not identified. Varna, Bhutia, Manusparma, Parnodhi, yet not identified. Parna, yet not identified. Pala, yet not identified. Palasa, Bhutia, Manusparma, Pata, Stepania, Randifolia, Pinga, yet not identified. Pipoli, Piper, Langa, Pila, Bacteria, Indica, Pilo, Salvadora, Parsika, Pundarica, Nilampo, Nucipera, Purannava, Bhairvya, Diffusa, Purusha Vaishat, Panak, Ginseng, land mentioned in the Atharvaveda, number 155, Pushkar, Inula, Rashimosa, Puskala, and Anastika, Aromatica, Pushpa, Solaria, Polifolia, Patadru, Siddharth, Deodara, Kutiraju, yet not identified. Krishnapani, Uraria, Logo, Podas, Vishata, yet not identified. Poidu, yet not identified. Pratisara, yet not identified. Ravandini, yet not identified. Ramandani, yet not identified. Preni, yet not identified. Raksha, Vikas, Lekar, Baja, yet not identified. Bobro, yet not identified. Bola, Sida, Cordifolia, Balasanasini, Janakdrislam, Lata, Balasabesa, Janakdilam, Lata, Balvaja, Polynesium, Angustifolia, Balika, Chakaram, Manju, Bibita, Terminalia, Balika, Bimbi, Coccinia, Indica, Billa, Egel, Marmalade, Bisha, Nilambo, Nucifera, Bhanga, Cannabis, Sativa, Bhadra, Cyperus, Rotunda, Mondukparni, Centella, Asiatica, Madhavati, Utphodia, Pratikosha, Madhugha, yet not identified. Madhuka, Madhuka, Indica, Madhujata, yet not identified. Madhumati, Melina, Arborea, Madhula, Orija, Sativa, Madhulaka, yet not identified. Masaka, Jangbhani, yet not identified. Mahavriksha, yet not identified. Masa, Bacillus, Radiata, Medica, yet not identified. Munja, Shakaram, Orandi, Nesiam, Mulali, Nympia, Natuli, Jakho, Nasini, yet not identified. Java, Odriam, Balgari, Rajoni, Curcuma, Domestica, Rama, Odelia, Caneruletia, Rohini, Pictorija, Kurua, Rohita, Epamixis, Polistekia, Rupanaka, Samida, Pegrifuga, Raksha, Sicilra, Oliucha, Libuja, Srixnath, Banjoin, Rohita Vriksha, Renina Pros, Draco, Bota, Fikat, Bangalanche, Badaka, Kesya, Pistula, Bangsa, Bambusha, Bambur, Barana, Ritiva, Religiosa, Batakita Bhasaji, Rethiras, Sativas, Bata, Rita, Nasani, Padaria, Fatida, Valadusha, yet not identified, Bikankata, Prakotia, Indica, Bitantri, yet not identified, Vibhaza, yet not identified, Visapa, yet not identified, Vishlista Bhasaji, yet not identified, Vishwabhasaji, Jinjivar, Opachinali, Visa Dusani, Olivonam, Hadjo, Pipa, Visa, Akonatam, Hatrophalam, Vishanaka, Heracteris, Asura, Visha Toke, Geminema, Silvestra, Vishanda Dusana, Viskanda Dusana, yet not identified, Vihara, yet not identified, Vibhala, yet not identified, Virana, Vechveria, denied, Virodhika, yet not identified, Vrishika Jangbani, yet not identified, Vishannavati, yet not identified, Venu, Bambusha, Urundinacia, Vesas, Kalamat, Viminalis, Vedatrina, yet not identified, Western, yet not identified, Bankasa, yet not identified, Bagri, Suranam, Jantukarbam, Balaka, yet not identified, Vrihi, Orija, Sativa, Sankapushpi, Valvulas, Alcinite, Sona, Clotalaria, Junsia, Satakanda, yet not identified, Sataparva, yet not identified, Satabara, yet not identified, Satasakha, yet not identified, Suffolk, Trepa, Bipinosa, Sama, yet not identified, Swami, Acacia, Suma, Sangsapa, Dalbarjia, Siso, Sara, Chakaram, Bengalan, Saranjana, yet not identified, Sandadurba, Synodon, Species, Shaluk, Nimpia, Nuchali, Shikhandi, Jasminam, Auriculata, Singsapa, Dalbarjia, Siso, Silasi, Lecifar, Lakka, Chitika, Lesi, Lyusa, Algenitia, Sipal, yet not identified, Sapahostani, Muguna, Rita, Sebar, yet not identified, Sochi, Atropa, Acuminata, Sama, Icnocarpus, Putisam, Sama, Icnosula, Hunantisia, Sochin, yet not identified, Sadangphala, yet not identified, Samuktavajar, yet not identified, Samuspala, yet not identified, Sangbonani, yet not identified, Sanskanda, yet not identified, Swarupakarani, yet not identified, Saha, Balika, Kristata, Swadevi, Venuria, Sinaria, Swamana, yet not identified, Sasrakandra, Sanodon, Dactylon, Sasrasuksu, yet not identified, Sasra, Varana, yet not identified, Sasra Ponni, yet not identified, Sasrati, yet not identified, Sasini, yet not identified, Suyasi, yet not identified, Sausya, yet not identified, Shala, Surya, Ruvastra, Suvangakarani, yet not identified, Soma, Vipidya, Yardiana, Somavati, Sarkustram, Acida, Srakta, yet not identified, Sadha, yet not identified, Horisabhasar, Akalpa, Indika, Haridrava, yet not identified, Hiranyapushpi, yet not identified, Iladika, Gloriosa, Superba. Thank you.